Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4 and today we are presenting about be used to, and redundancy. The first material will be presented by me, Axel Tiani. Used to. To be used to verb ing, to get used to verb ing. Used to, bukan kebiasaan lagi. Yang artinya kebiasaan yang telah terjadi di masa lalu. Kebiasaannya di masa lalu dan bukan kebiasaan lagi di masa sekarang. To be used to verb ing, terbiasa. To get used to verb ing, proses menjadi biasa. It used it to show past tense. Used to. Used to for something that happened regularly in the past or express the idea that something was an old habit that stopped in the past. For example, I used to start work at 7 o'clock, but now I don't start work at 7 o'clock. I used to drive to work, but now I take the bus. When Maya was a child, she used to rain beds. We also use it for something that was true but not longer exists. For example, there used to be a tree in front of the house, but now there is not. She used to have curly hair, but she's had it straighten her head. I didn't used to eat 3 times a day, but now I do. The next material will be presented by Dasri Mila.
Thank you, Axel Tiani. Next material will be presented by me, Dasri Mila. The use of be used to. Remember, the use of be is to be, meaning it is based on the subject. If they, we, you means the be is are. If I means the be is am. While she, he, it means the be is. After be used to, we use verb ing. Previously, used to was used to express something that was habitual in the past, but the use of be used to is to express a habit only. Example number 1. Ivan is used to reading business book every week. Number 2. She is used to playing badminton since he was a child. Number 3. They are used to making cake every day. And this is used for something that is usually done in the past time and is still being done today. Why can used to be called an adjective? Because he characterizes that something is usual to do. For example, I can ride a motorbike while listening to music. I'm used to. Get used to, it's used in Indonesian in getting used to it. Example number 1. I get used to driving a motorcycle every day. And number 2. She starts to get used to wearing hijab. So, the difference between be used to and get used to is be used to, this has become a habit in the past and is still happening today. The pattern is to be used to verb ing. Get used to, his understanding of getting used to it, which was initially unfamiliar, is now getting used to it. The pattern, it get used to verb ing. Next material will be presented by Veriska Ernanto Putri.
Thank you, Dasri Mila. And the last material is redundancy, will be presented by me, Veriska. Sentences is said to be redundant if there are unnecessary additional words or group of words in the sentences. Redundancy adalah pengulangan yang tidak diperlukan. Example of redundancy word combination. Advance forward. return back, repeat again. Redundancy unnecessary phrases atau pengurangan frase yang tidak diperlukan. For example, Lisa has always behaved in a responsible manner. This was incorrect. We can say Lisa has always behaved responsibly. That disease was very serious, the nature of it. This was incorrect. We can say that disease was very serious. This was the problem, which was very difficult in character and very delicate in nature. And this is also incorrect. We can say this was the problem, was very difficult and delicate. Next, redundancy repetition of words with the same meaning, atau pengulangan kata-kata dengan arti yang sama. For example, the money that they have is sufficient enough for their needs. This was incorrect because kata enough tidak diperlukan lagi karena arti sufficient di sini sudah pasti artinya cukup. The room advanced forward rapidly. Kata forward tidak diperlukan lagi karena kata advance sudah pasti maju. So we can say the room advanced rapidly. I returned back your things after we broke up. Kata back tidak diperlukan lagi karena return sudah memiliki arti mengembalikan. So we can say, I returned your things after we broke up. And the last, redundancy repetition of nouns by pronoun, atau pengulangan kata benda dengan kata ganti. For example, Naura, she wants to go to market alone. This was incorrect. We just say, Naura wants to go market alone. My brother, he found something interesting. This was incorrect. So we can say, my brother found something interesting there. And last, Gea, she wants to cook some food for her besties. This was also incorrect. So we can say, Gea wants to cook some food for her besties. So that's all for our presentation about used to be used to, verb ing, to get used to, verb ing, and redundancy. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.